How to install ceramic skirting around concrete columns. In this detailed tutorial, we walk you through the complete process of installing ceramic skirting baseboard tile around concrete columns, a technique that requires extra precision due to the curved or squared edges and corners columns often present. Whether you're working on a residential space, commercial building, or renovation project, this step-by-step guide covers everything from measuring and cutting ceramic tile to achieving clean, professional corner joints around columns. Concrete columns present unique challenges compared to straight wall skirting, including tight corner cuts, consistent height alignment, and seamless transitions around curved or angled surfaces. Follow along as we demonstrate professional techniques used by experienced tile installers to help you achieve a neat, durable, and visually consistent skirting finish around any column shape. Measuring and marking skirting height around columns. Cutting ceramic tile for tight corners and curves. Proper adhesive application for vertical surfaces. Achieving clean, aligned joints at column edges. Tips for working around square versus round columns. Avoiding common alignment and leveling mistakes. Grouting techniques for a polished finish. Tools and materials needed for the job. Professional tips for a seamless, long-lasting result. Frequently asked questions. Q. What tools do I need to cut ceramic tile for column corners? A tile cutter, angle grinder with a diamond blade, or a wet saw works well for precise corner and curve cuts around columns. This tutorial shows the exact tools and techniques we use. Q. How do I keep the skirting height consistent around an uneven column? Using a laser level or a consistent measuring reference point along the column's base ensures the diamond blade or a wet saw works well for precise corner and curve cuts around columns. This tutorial shows the exact tools and techniques we use. Q. How do I keep the skirting height consistent around an uneven column? Using a laser level or a consistent measuring reference point along the column's base ensures the skirting line stays level and consistent, even if the column surface has minor irregularity. Q. What adhesive is best for tiling vertical surfaces like columns? A high-bond, non-slip tile adhesive 443, designed for vertical applications, is recommended to prevent the tile from sliding down before it sets. We demonstrate the proper application technique in this video. Q. How do I handle corners on square concrete columns? Precise 45-degree miter cuts at each corner create a clean, professional finish. This video walks through the exact cutting and fitting process step by step. Q. Can this method be used on round or curved columns? Yes, though it requires more precise measuring and cutting, often using flexible tile or smaller cut pieces too. Flexible tile or smaller cut pieces to follow the curve smoothly. We cover tips for both curved and squared columns. Q. How long should I wait before grouting after installing the skirting? Typically 24 hours is recommended to allow the adhesive to properly set before grouting, though this can vary based on humidity and adhesive type used. Q. Is this technique suitable for beginners? Yes. This guide is designed to be beginner-friendly while still offering valuable insights for experienced installers looking to refine their column skirting technique. For more tiling, terrazzo, and flooring tutorials, make sure to subscribe to Ude Ceramic Tiles and turn on notifications so you never miss a new video. We regularly share practical, real-world installation techniques for ceramic tile, porcelain, terrazzo, marble, and Moroccan zellage work. Have a project or need professional advice? Feel free to reach out. Contact info in the channel description. If this video helped you, please like, comment, and share it with anyone who might find it useful.